Today, we will demonstrate for you the operation and installation process after receiving the ordered cleaning machine. First of all, when you receive the machine, be sure to take photos and videos to confirm whether the packaging appearance is intact. And remove the outer packaging and confirm whether it matches packing list. We provide you with various accessories. There are various switch and emergency button. You can adjust parameters on display screen. The lasers we use are from well-known brands, ensuring their excellent quality performance. All continuous laser cleaning machines use water cooling, and there is an independent water chiller in the cabinet. When installing wires of 2000W laser cleaner, correct order is crucial. The markings on the line can help you correctly distinguish the L line, N line and PE line, ensuring a smooth installation process. Among them, the red and green lines represent the L line, the blue and white lines represent the N line, and the yellow line represents the PE line. Different from 2000W. The power cord connection of 3000W is different. It has 3 live wires, a 0 wire and a ground wire. Similarly, the markings on the line can help you correctly distinguish L lines, N lines and PE lines. Be sure to add purified or deionized water in summer and antifreeze in winter, and add the appropriate amount of liquid. When draining water, first remove the water pipe from the water inlet of the chiller, and then use compressed gas to ventilate the water inlet until the remaining water in the chiller is completely dry. Protective lenses are important consumables in cleaning equipment. They can effectively prevent dust from entering the cleaning head, so it is important to replace protective lenses regularly. We recommend that protective lens replacement be performed in a sterile and dust-free environment to ensure cleanliness and performance of the device. When starting the machine, be sure to follow the correct sequence. First, turn on the main switch, then turn on the control switch so that the machine starts. However, please note that during the startup process, you must first turn on water chiller switch and then turn on the laser switch. The same steps are used for the 3000W cleaning machine. First turn on the main switch, and then turn on the control switch. Then turn on the water chiller switch. Don't forget to turn on the switch on the water chiller in the control cabinet at the same time. After turning on the laser switch, be sure to wait 10 seconds before turning on the switch on the laser. We demonstrated the cleaning effect of different widths, including 50mm, 100mm and 150mm. It can be clearly observed that as the cleaning width increases, the area covered by cleaning also increases accordingly. You can adjust different powers through the display to remove different levels of rust. The higher the power, the faster the cleaning speed. We showed the effect under different powers, including 2000W, 1000W, and 500W. The higher the power, the faster the cleaning speed and the larger area cleaned in the same time. Our cleaning machines can clean a variety of materials, including red rust, black rust, oxide layers, oil stains, and other common stains such as stains on cement floors, paint layers, patina, etc. In practical applications, it can be used to clean rusty machine tools, etc. Remember to close the protection window.